ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಪಂಚಾಂಗ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲವನಾಮ ಸಂವತ್ಸರ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಯನ ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ ಮಾಸ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷ ದ್ವಾದಶಿ ತಿಥಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಶುಕ್ರವಾಸರ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ.
நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்த கோபானுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே மணி கதவு தாழ்த்திரவாய் ஆயர் திருமியரு குருமகுமரை பறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னெலைவாய் நின்ற தூயமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலெழ பாடுவான் வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றதே அம்மானி நேசநிலை கதவம் நீக்கெலோரெம்பாவாய் நேசநிலை கதவம் நீக்கெலோரெம்பாவாய்.
श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. रत्नाकराधौतपदां हिमालयकिरीटिनीं ब्रह्मराजर्षिरत्नाढ्यां वन्दे भारतमातरम्. Namaste and welcome you to the 16th day of Tirupavai Pashuram Upanyasam or discourse. Yesterday we came across the Pashuram Yelle Ilankiliye Innam Urungidiyo Shillendalayen Mean Nanganir Podaruhindren Vallayun Katturegal Pandeyun Vayaridum Vallirgal Ningale Naneta ஒல்லை நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடைமை எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தெண்ணிக்கொள் வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாத்தானை மாத்தளிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரெம்பாவாய். In this there are a lot of things which can be enumerated. This is a Ratnapraya in the whole of the Tirupavai. It is also the heart of Tirupavai, which explains the principle, the main principle of Sri Vaishnavatva, which is also being told by the Acharyas, Alvars, and followed by Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya. Vallanai, Kundranai, Matranai, Matralika. Here, a Gita udaharanam can be given. Paritranaya sadhuna, vinashaya chadushkritam, dharma samsthapanarthaya, sambhavami yuge yuge. Whenever there is the glani of dharma and the sajjana, sadbrahmanas are being troubled, Krishna, he himself will come and save us from all those dangers in need. Nanetan ayudaha adveshta sarvabhutana maitrah karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankara samadukha sugakshani. Bharata, when the boon was asked by Kaikeyi for Bharata to be the king and Rama had to leave the Samrajya for the sake of enthroning of Bharatalvar, Bharata was not even known. The boon was asked by Kaikeyi and the person who went to the forest was Sri Rama. Bharata, in any ways, he was not at all indulged in any of these happenings. But even though in Ramayana it is told that Bharata was going to take bath, he had to close himself, get hooded in some cloth, and he needed to go. There was such a time because the Praja or the people of Ayodhya and whole Samrajya thought that behind all this, Bharata was the person who had done that. But he had no other choice else than doing the Matravakya Paripalana and abide by the Bhratravakya Paripalana also. I mean, going by the mother's wish and like what his elder brother had said him to do the Rajya Bhara and take care of the people unless until the Vanavasa gets completed. Nane tan ayuduga. For this in Shri Vachana Bhushana, it is said, Kuttam Shaidavargal Pakkal Porayum, Kripayum, Shirippum, Uhappum, Upakarismritayum, Nadakkavenum. There are three types of individuals. One is such a person who he knows the mistake of he or she is and they don't accept. This is Adhama, the lowest cadre. Next one is once knowing that it is the mistake, they would accept in a partial way as it might be mine and I will try to redo that in a right way. This is Madhyama, the mid variant of the people. And the next one is those Uttamas, where they agree even though the mistake is not by their side and try to set the things right in right place in right time. And if we see all those people who are married are naturally have become Sri Vaishnavas now. Why? Because whenever and wherever there is Kshama Bhava, forgiving and accepting on behalf of the other person for the sake of sailing through the samsara sagara, then the life becomes easier and it goes with non-turbulent way. So the Pashurams from 16th to 28 are concentrating on the Paramatma Priyata, or those people who are near to the Paramatma, those who are having most dearness towards the Kainkarya Paratva or the service towards the Lord, and it includes the Stuti of Shri Devi and includes the Tirupadi Yadichi or the Suprabhata Seva of Paramatma Sriman Narayana. Let's get started with today's Pashuram. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya. Krishna is a person who likes to be called by all such names who are being surrounded by him. For example, Krishna was called as Yashoda Nandana, Vasudevasya Apatyam Puman Vasudeva, that means the son of Vasudeva, called as Vasudeva, Radharamana, Navanita Chora, Subhadra Graja, Yamuna Tira Vanachari. So all those names are just given because of those Bhagavatas around Krishna. They had done a lot of Punya Prapti. Just because of that Punya Prapti, they were in place to evidence the whole of Leelas or the Cheshtita Gunas of Shri Krishna Paramatma. So, Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya, here also he is called by his father's name, Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopan. Nandagopa is the Nayaka for the whole of the villages surrounded. Nayaganai, you are the king. Nandagopa, you are the king. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya, Koil Kappane Kuditondrum. Now, there is a temple and there is a palace. For Ayarpadi girls in with the Andal Tayar, it is the Koil. For Nandagopa, for the Krishna Anubhava, in literal sense, it is called the palace of Krishna Paramatma. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya, Koil Kappane Kuditondrum. And they are talking to the Dwarapalakas now. Kuditondrum, Toranavashal Kappane. There are different types of plantain trees. The whole of the surroundings of Nanda Gokula is decorated by plantain trees, mango leaves, banana stems, and vivid and wide range of flowers. They can just evidence the samruddhi or Nanda Gokula. கோயில் காப்பானே கொடித்தோன்றும் தோரண வாசல் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய். Here the paricharaka or the person who is guarding the gate is called out with such a respect. Manikadavan Thaltiravai, can you please open the door of the Garbhagraha where we can have the darshana of Ayar Kandan. That's why Kulashekaratalvar says Tad Bhritya Bhritya Paricharaka Bhritya Bhritya Bhrityasya Bhritya iti Mamsmara Lokanatha. What does that mean? Let me serve the most humblest servants who are serving the temple without phalapeksha, without any fruit expecting out of that karma. Let me serve those good hearts. Here says Kulashekharattalvar. Godadevi also means that Manikkadavan Thaltirvai means we must have the Acharya Kripa for opening the door of having the self-realization, and without the Acharya's help, we will get lost in an unknown terrain when we don't know the route. How we take the help of Google Maps, how we take the help of modern maps. The same way, Acharya is the only person who can enlighten us, and if we are going by the wrong route, he is the person who will take us back to the right route and guide us in the right way. Ayar Shrimayoromukku Araibarai. Hey Rakshaka, see, we are all are like cute little girls. Can't you see us, those sakhis, those pious and little girls? What harm can we possibly do? That's why there is a conversation, and Rakshaka tells the Vrinda that Vatsasura was such a young calf, and after he went inside the city, he did all kinds of nonsensical and terrorizing things, and he had to be slayed by Krishna Paramatma. So, just like that, we are not here to trust everyone who are coming in, but I think you guys are right about your appearance. Mayan Manivannan Ninnale Vainirndan. Rakshika, also listen this. Yesterday we had spoken to Kandan, okay, and today now it is your duty for us to be allowed so that we can get inside and to see the beautiful face when he wakes up and we surprise. So please allow us. Ayar Shrimayoromukku Araibarai Mayan Manivannan Ninnale Vainirndan Tuyomai Vandom Tuyalappaduva. We are here to sing and praise the Lord's Tuyomai Vandom. We are clean and composed by body, mind and spirit. So, Manikkadavan Thaltiravai. Vayal Munnam Munnam Matradeyam Mani. Okay, Nayagappen. Now, I think you're troubling me a lot on this. Okay, I will allow you on your request is what the Dwarapalaka says. And Nation Ilai Kadavam Ni Kelorem Pavai. Nation Ilai Kadavam. Previously, if we see, we have come across 3 doors. The first door was losing the Mamakara. Second door was losing the Ahankara. Third door was the Acharya Anugraha. And the fourth door is the Kainkarya Prapti, which is not the least. It is only thing which will make us to cross the big payana or the big travel of samsara sagara. So keep chanting and keep contemplating on those thoughts is what Andarthayar conveys us. Let's do the Anusandhanam of today's Pashuram. Nayaganayi Nindra Nandagopanuடைய கோயில் காப்பானே கொடித்தோன்றும் தோரண வாசல் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவன் தாழ்த்திரவாய் ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு அரைபறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான் தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயலிடப் பாடுவான் வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாத்தாதேயம்மானி நேஷநிலை கதவம் நீக்கேலோர் எம்பாவாய். மங்களம் கோசலேந்திராய மகனீய குணாத்மனே சக்கரவர்த்தி தனோஜாய சார்வபௌமாய மங்களம்.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.